these are the fireworks. Hopefully they're coming soon. And it is me, infected infection. Well, yeah. But here we are.
And you're
We're pretty
watching Disney Channel.
Here we are. We're pretty sure those are the fireworks that they're going to be over here. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this is the fireworks and all that. Alrighty, that's all I'm showing you guys, because some of you guys, I bet you're gonna watch this and you've been here already. So, put a comment below if you haven't. I know. Okay. I don't know. Just put a comment below if you weren't here to see this. Okay, bye guys.